Welcome back guys to another cocktail vlog. This is Simple Drinks. My name is Johnny. Today's cocktail is called the Blackout. The name of this cocktail does not mean it necessarily induces the said state. It's more a description of the color of the drink. It's real easy to make, 3 ingredients only, and without further ado, let's make a blackout. We are going to start with gin. 1 ounce and 3/4, so that's about 52.5 mils, something like that, almost 2 ounces. That's it. Followed by Blackberry Liqueur, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Last ingredient is lime juice, pressure squeeze of course. The recipe says juice of half a lime, so we're going to squeeze that directly in our shaker. Now add ice. And shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. And now we're going to strain the cocktail into our pre-chilled glass. I'm going to double strain it because of fresh lime juice. Looks nice. And for garnish, we're going to use some blackberries and a slice of lime on a cocktail stick. Just put it like this. And that's it, ladies and gents. We made a blackout. Cheers. Nice, fruity, strong. You can taste the kick from gin, and blackberry and lime give it that delicious fruity note. This one's definitely awesome. Check it out. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a blackout. Delicious gin cocktail with a fruity tone of blackberry and lime juice. Delicious, refreshing. Check it out. Try to make it at home. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Make sure you subscribe. There will be plenty of new recipes here on the channel. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.